All right, number 7. If a over x equal to 160, what's the value of x? Okay, so we're solving for x using this equation. We could plug in the answer choices and try to see which one works, right? Or if you solve it algebraically, we can first, we have a fraction on the left side. So if you want to get rid of the fraction, we can actually multiply by whatever on the denominator is, right? So we have an x on the bottom. We can actually multiply by x on both sides. So the x will cancel. Get a equal to 8 equal to 160x. Okay. Although we have an x on the bottom, we can still multiply by the denominator on both sides. And now to solve for x, we can just divide by 160 on both sides. And that will get x by itself on the right. On the left side, we have a over 160. Well, what's 8 divided by 160? Well, that would be 1 over 20, right? Okay, that would be 1 over 20, which is, if you look at the answer choices, we know 1 over 20 should be less than 1. Right? So the only one that's less than 1 had to be letter D. Right? But if you divide it by 1, divide by 20, 20 going to 1 0 times, so we add a 0 there, 20 going to 10, another 0 times, so we add another 0. So 20 going to 100 5 times. Right? So we 100, subtract, remainder is 0. Okay. So yeah, so 1 over 20 is equivalent to 0 0.05. So that should be letter D. All right, so for number 7, our final answer should be D.